again with a 5x. Okie dokie, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Oh, and the max pool players at 500. Oh man, so the maximum is going to be at 2,500. I wish you the best luck to get it. Ooh, so much 100x. Oh, let's go. Let's mix everything up. So the max over you can get is at 2,500. I wish you the best of luck. The decision time is open for you, ladies and gentlemen. It's your time to pick up in this area. We would like to make your shot. Remember, if you want to make a shot, the outpick will do it on the set view, or you can just choose outpick. Best luck. Max will be 2,500. This one says, and I'm picking again the bunny. I want the bunny, okay? VDX, nice. Where's the 2,500? Oh, it's right here on my side. Amazing. I hope you.
So, let's go for number 2 with the 2x. We go for the number 5. Just number 5. Just number 5. Here we go. 900 for the free play. I get a feeling I already can go home because, well, yeah. That is, I just completed the game. I finished the game, you know. A lot of seconds. There we go. 5 seconds. How is the legend? There's really big difference. No, Lucky One and Legend. I change it to 5x. Thank you, Bobby. Welcome. Enjoy your wins. No way. Pachinko with a 5x top spot. It's my victory. It is my day, ladies and gentlemen. How many top slot? Coin flip with a 59. Face down to sound X. Let's go more. Put it more free. Come on, more. 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 50x. 5x is the top slot. 250x is the highest one. Oh my. This session, I can call you where you gonna stop right here, right now. Let's see what we gonna catch. And here we got a 250x. Come on, 120 or 250. Wow! No way, it is not legal. I don't believe that. 250x made it by the Bob chick.
We'll stand, we can let them. Let's go back. Also 10 is because you're 10 out of 10, darling. 1,490 winners, congratulations. Bets are open, welcome players for joining. Candice, hi. How are you today? Crazy time with 4x on top slots. Oh baby, let's go, man. We had like four crazy times on my session. Let's go. Crazy time is really going crazy for us in my session. 4x from the top slot. More money, more money. Decision time, dear players. Choose either green, blue, or yellow team. Which one you prefer? I see Jay choosing the blue. Nice. Alright, our max multiplayer here is 400x. Good luck. Ooh, 100 for the green, 200 for yellow, and we got double for the blue. Blue like a balloon. Alright, now we get... Stop scaring me! 800x is the max! 60 for the blue. Congratulations, 1,678 winners. Congratulations, good luck.
Yeah. You go. Ah! Ew. Hi guys, my name is Emily. I'll be your hostess for a session. Hopefully I can be as lucky as Cass was right there.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our first crazy time of this session. Right, decision time now. Open, you can pick between green, blue, and yellow. Decision time now. Close max multiplier 100x. Let's give it a push. $50x yellow, 20x blue, and double on green. Nice. Okay, so now max multiplier for green only 200x. Let's give it another push. Another double on green. That is 400x now as the highest. All right. Greens only though. So let's give it another push. Good luck. And another double on green. 800x now the highest. Okay. Another push. Good luck. And a nice little 400x on green. Friday in our life. Good. Have some cash. We got for the number one. Thank you, Bobby. Hi, Bobby. Thank you so much. It's my highest one city. First time we'll win ever in the last 8 months. Welcome. Everything happens in the first time. There we go. Shoshana Sound plays brothers. Oh yeah. It's all because this ladder. All because the Bobby wasn't spinning the wheel. Bobby wasn't try-harding. No yeah. Grand flip for the 15x. Well. Unstoppable. Woo! Who is the legend? Who is the legend? I don't hear you. I don't hear you guys. I don't hear you. Blue one, red one. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, only wait. 25 bags with a 15x on the top slots of 375x or 50x. Are you ready for the skur? Yeah! Boom, shakalaka boom. It's like, you know, there we go, 375 bags. Woo! Simple, money made by the Bobby. It's all because Latin. It's all because this ladder, not Bobby spinning the wheel. Hold a second. I got a feeling the pressure is still against me. Alright, here we go. Dancing close. Alright, here we go. So, on top off for number 2 with the 2.
And there we go. And how much is gonna be? We are multiplying 5 times the entire big crazy time wheel. And now it's time for you to choose a flapper. So you have green, blue, yellow. Which flapper you will choose? Choose your favorite flapper, everyone. And most of the people went for the blue. That's 1000x all the wheel. Come on, guys, let's double or get the highest. Woohoo! 500x for the blue. And 125x for green, 50x for yellow. Wow, blue flapper! Woohoo! 500x! Congratulations! Let me know how many of you got the 500x! Wait, BG, you got 500x? Let me know how.
There's a magic, there is a power. There we go. There we go. So let's multiply the wheels. 7x from the top slug. Woohoo! There we go. So time to make a decision. Choose your color. Green one, blue one, or the yellow one. Wow, Bobby's making cordial. And now the summer is gonna be soon. Time to make like a lean muscles. Right, 5 seconds for your decision. Right here, right now. The ice one multiplier, we have a 700x. Good luck for everyone, and there we go. Sound 100x blue, 105x green, 105x yellow. Headshot, there we go. 700x. Wambos, it's like a holometry.
Once again. 24 of you got 100x, 2,105 winners in total. Lemon, Bingo Plus, TJ, same top winners. Place the bets. Good luck, maybe it's going to be two bonus rounds. We'll see. Please someone for us more top slots. Ain't no way. What? Sun is shining. Can I say something crazy? We love crazy. Cuckoo time with a cuckoo host, and this time crazy time with 4x additional multiplier. Good luck. Would you look at it? 4x additional multiplier is right here, right now. I'm telling you, cuckoo time with a cuckoo host. That's how it goes. We are having some ones and then we are having some fun. This time it is going to be green, blue, or yellow. 3 flappers, 1 choice to make. Or you can leave it for the last pick. Blue is the most chosen one. The highest multiplier so far, at least it is 400x, but you better catch that double. Do you have a double? Double for blue. 60, double, and 80x. 800x, the highest one so far. Good luck. Another double. I'm blue, da boo dee da ba die. Chic shack shook. 1600x could be the highest one. Good luck. Ain't no way. Today is the day. Today is the day. We stand the chance to catch 3,200x. Let's get another double. Bombastic Blast is here, the highest win of the day. With the highest win, 2007.